You ever wonder what the secret is that those affiliates have that are topping the leaderboards, winning contests? You see them in the promotions and you're like, what's their secret? What are they doing that I'm not doing? Do they have a secret? Yes, they do have a secret. And in this video, I'm going to share it with you. And I know this works because I've done this myself and I've topped leaderboards and won prizes as an affiliate. And I want to give you a step-by-step guide to the secret. Now, the secret is building your own product, but it goes a little deeper than that. And in this video, I want to identify 3 steps. First step is identifying and crafting a niche solution. The second step is simplifying, design, and organizing information inside of a product. And then 3 is to launch and promote your own product. Now, why do I tell you to do that if I'm talking about being an affiliate marketer? Here on the channel, right here on 30-Minute Marketing, I talk about my top strategy. And inside of the top strategy, I cover 3 pillars: traffic, offer, people. Like you see here on the screen, this is the top strategy. There's 9 steps in this simple roadmap. Now, when you get to step 5, this is a bonus for promoting an offer, or a bonus for your audience when you promote an offer to them. When you're giving them the solution to the problem, when you've identified the topic and you're giving them the solution, which is your affiliate offer, you offer up a bonus. Now, your bonus is a product. This is a store that I have over at Gumroad where I have my own products. I create these products to answer specific questions that I discuss here on 30-Minute Marketing in the world, in the realm of affiliate marketing. Or in the realm of affiliate marketing, there's all these questions that need to be answered. There's all these topics, but you can break down each topic, each major topic, into very, very distinct solutions that you can offer up as your own product. Then you can go back and you can double down on having that product and offer it up as a bonus. And again, this is the secret. And it comes back to a step-by-step guide. And what we're talking about today is understanding how to build a product and then use that product to win affiliate contests. And it starts with this 3 simple step process. Now, inside of affiliating, when I teach this, when I show folks how to do this, and I break it down and we go through each step by step, and we're under step 5, offer. And again, when we're looking at the roadmap, bonus, 10x your money, this means that you have the chance to actually identify a problem. And really what that means is you're filling a gap in the affiliate product. You're looking at the product and you're saying, okay, this product is perfect. Well, almost. It has a few issues. And here you're going to use this 3-step process to fill that gap. Now, filling the gap is, again, a 3-step process. You're going to deep dive through the product. You're going to look at the features and benefits. And then also you can look at customer feedback. But the idea here is to maintain a marketing angle so you can highlight the gap, emphasize the exclusivity of your bonus because it is your own product, because it is for sale, like what I do over at Gumroad. I have these products. These are real products. They're real products for sale that anyone can buy as soon as they see them. Now, to see them, typically what I do is I let people know, or in the description of the videos here on YouTube, that they can get this free report. And then I have the potential to sell these as my own product, or people see they are for sale, so then they can see the real value. So you can see the marketing angle there. And again, the idea and the concept here is highlighting the gap in the product that you're promoting and emphasizing the exclusivity of the fact that the bonus is a real product, which shows real value. And that's why we do it in that way, and we do it in these steps. But to go back, what I'm talking about today is a step-by-step guide to understanding the secret. And the secret is building a product, your own product, that will allow you to win affiliate contests. And it starts with identifying and crafting a niche solution. A niche solution is just simply inside of the topic that you are becoming an expert on, that you're sharing information and building an audience around, and identifying solutions, and then simplifying and designing and organizing information in a way that makes sense, that helps them. And again, as a bonus, specifically to win an affiliate contest, creating products that you know that will fill these gaps. When you see these products inside of your niche, then you launch and you promote your own products. And when you get to step 5, you have a bonus that is ready to be offered up to top these leaderboards, compete with those affiliates. Again, those affiliates that you think are just affiliate marketers, they have a secret, and that secret is they make their own products. They build an audience, they build their own products, they sell their own products, and then when they see a product that they want to be an affiliate for, they're able to fill the gaps in that product. And there's always going to be gaps in a product. No product is perfect. And all you do is you create products around the topic that you're discussing, the topic that you're becoming an expert in, the topic that you're learning more about, the topic that you're doing and teaching, the topic that you want to make sure that you give all the best information to your audience on. And especially as a bonus, when they are going to buy another product, or when you see a product that will benefit them, and you say, hey, check out this product that's going to help you, but hey, check this out, I have a bonus to make sure that it's going to help you even more. And then that way, when those products launch out there and you see those affiliate contests and you see why those affiliate marketers are doing so well and they're always at the top of the leaderboards, now you know the secret. And if you'd really like to tap into that secret and create your own products and you'd like me to help you with it, there's a link in the description for a workshop that I'm holding. You can get access to that workshop, and I'll take you through a simple 3-step process to do exactly what we talked about in this video. We'll do it together, we'll get it done, and we'll get you up there on the top of those affiliate leaderboards. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.